Completely customizable. Because the process is based upon computer-aided designs, CAD, any product alterations are easy to make without impacting the manufacturing cost. Ideal for rapid prototyping. Because the technology allows for small batches and in-house production, this process is ideal for prototyping, which means that products can be created faster than with more traditional manufacturing techniques. And without the reliance on external supply chains. Allows for the creation of parts with specific properties. Although plastics and metals are the most common materials used in 3D printing, there is also scope for creating parts from specially tailored materials with desired properties. So, for example, parts can be created with high heat resistance, water repellency or higher strengths for specific applications. The disadvantages of 3D printing include: can have a lower strength than with traditional manufacture. While some parts, such as those made from metal, have excellent mechanical properties, many other 3D printed parts are more brittle than those created by traditional manufacturing techniques. This is because the parts are built up layer by layer, which reduces the strength by between 10 and 50%. Increased cost at high volume. Large production runs are more expensive with 3D printing as economies of scale do not impact this process as they do with other traditional methods. Estimates suggest that when making a direct comparison for identical parts, 3D printing is less cost-effective than CNC machining or injection molding in excess of 100 units, provided the parts can be manufactured by conventional means. Limitations in accuracy. The accuracy of a printed part depends on the type of machine and/or process used. Some desktop printers have lower tolerances than other printers, meaning that the final parts may slightly differ from the designs. While this can be fixed with post-processing, it must be considered that 3D printed parts may not always be exact. Post-processing requirements. Most 3D printed parts require some form of post-processing. This may be sanding or smoothing to create a required finish. The removal of support struts which allow the materials to be built up into the designated shape. Heat treatment to achieve specific material properties or final machining. 3D printing industries. Due to the versatility of the process, 3D printing has applications across a range of industries, for example, aerospace. 3D printing is used across the aerospace and astrospace industry due to the ability to create light, yet geometrically complex parts, such as blisks. Rather than building a part from several components, 3D printing allows for an item to be created as one whole component, reducing lead times and material wastage. Automotive. The automotive industry has embraced 3D printing due to the inherent weight and cost reductions. It also allows for rapid prototyping of new or bespoke parts for test or small-scale manufacture. So, for example, if a particular part is no longer available, it can be produced as part of a small, bespoke run, including the manufacture of spare parts. Alternatively, items or fixtures can be printed overnight and are ready for testing ahead of a larger manufacturing run. Medical. The medical sector has found uses for 3D printing in the creation of made-to-measure implants and devices. For example, hearing aids can be created quickly from a digital file that is matched to a scan of the patient's body. 3D printing can also dramatically reduce costs and production times. Rail. The rail industry has found a number of applications for 3D printing, including the creation of customized parts, such as armrests for drivers and housing covers for train couplings. Bespoke parts are just one application for the rail industry, which has also used the process to repair worn rails. Robotics. The speed of manufacture, design freedom, and ease of design customization make 3D printing perfectly suited to the robotics industry. This includes work to create bespoke exoskeletons and agile robots with improved agility and efficiency. Subscribe our channel for more informative content.